Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Well, do you want captions to look like this in CapCut in just under 10 minutes? Well, welcome to the right video. Today I'll show you everything you need to know about how to make captions like these in CapCut. Without further ado, let's go over to the CapCut and start editing. So we're right now in CapCut and I've already done is recorded my voice, so here you can see it. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Alright, so this is perfect. What I've done is this is kind of low in volume, so let's just not put this knob up a little bit. Now, first things first, dragging this white PNG into the scene, and I'll just make it the length of this text. And as you can see, it's already 16 by 9, but for you it will be something like original, so just make sure that the ratio is 16 by 9. Perfect. Now scale this thing up until it fills the entire scene. Perfect. So we're already halfway there. Now we just need to get captions. The way to do that for absolutely free without Pro is navigate over to text, then click over to auto captions, and then click create. This will take a while. Just make sure to be patient and you will be good to go. For me, it's always gets stuck on this 45%, but after it's done, you will definitely be good to go. And as you can see, it's going up. It's nothing too much. As you can see, I just recorded this little bit. And now we have text. As you can see, it's not visible because of the background, but let's go over here now to templates. And what you're going to do is select this template right here, which is free. So just select it. Now, as you can see, it does not look like anything I've shown you before. So first things first, we have to change the font of this. So instead of bangers, we're going to click here. Where is it? I can't even. Rubik. First of all, we're going to put Rubik. And second of all, we're going to put color to white to all of the font. And just bump up the font size like this. Now put it like in the corner or something, and then just kind of increase the size a little bit. And keep on increasing the size until this whole thing is filled the scene. And I would do something like this, and now put it here. Perfect. And now if I hit play, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, yeah, as you can see, it's all right. So, okay. Now we're going to be creating keyframes to move this text down. So we're just basically going to create an illusion of a camera movement, but in reality, we're just moving the text up and it looks like it's going down. So first things first, we're going to create a keyframe on this bitch. So select the first one and just go over here at the beginning, scroll down until you see this position and click here. Then at the end, like somewhere around here, just as it's about to end, create another keyframe position and just drag this all the way down and make sure that this is in the middle, because this blue line will indicate that it's actually in the middle. And welcome back to the channel should be like centered in the middle of the screen once you put this all the way at the end. So let's now see how it looks like. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today obviously it looks absolutely much better. So we're now going to do something similar to the other one. Just make sure to copy the Y value of this keyframe and you're going to be putting the Y value here. But as you can see, it's the exact same. So how are we going to put it? So just basically once you're here already, just take this text, drag it down. Firstly, drag it down. Like so, go here, create a keyframe, go at the end, create another keyframe, and just drag it down as I've done with the first one. Just make sure it's centered up. And after you're done, you're going to be seeing something like this. Let's take this firstly to the end, and let's just make sure that this is all filled up. And as soon as I stop talking, here is the full thing. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing this interesting topic. Yeah, it's not still very looking nice. So first of all, there's a problem with the text overlapping sometimes into the second line. So let's see if that happens in the first one. I have not noticed. And as you can see, it does not. So it's going to happen only in the second one. And as you can see, the second one is already we're seeing a problem here. See, let me just drag this keyframe a little bit here. So as you can see, today we're only appears a little later. So we're going to be fixing that. But first of all, where is not in the same line. So after you're selected, you can individually manipulate them. So just drag down the font size until they appear in the same side. And as you can see, they absolutely do. So now we're already fixed one thing. Today we're going to be in the same line. Today we're going to be discussing. So we have to obviously make sure that this is also in the same line. So I assume nothing too crazy. Maybe like, yeah, there we go. And what else? So we just play the video discussing this interesting. So select interesting and just put it down like this. Interesting topic. Perfect. Amazing. Absolutely good. And here is how it looks like with some tweaks. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing this interesting topic. Alright, it looks absolutely amazing, but still let's stylize this a little bit to make it feel much better. So first of all, we're going to actually add some color to the individual text. So as I've said it before, select the text, go over here and click on the yellow. I like to do this, but you can change what you like. And welcome back to the channel. I like this back too, because it's in the same line, to be yellow, and the channel as well to be yellow too. And for the other text, we're going to be doing somewhat similar. So I'm going to put this where, because it's again in the same line and it just looks nice. So I'm going to select it all. I cannot double click it because of this single apostrophe here. And I'm obviously select this and add it color, discussing, and I'll be doing this interesting as well. And perfect. And now let's play and see how it looks like. Today we're going to be discussing this interesting topic. But as of now, it looks alright. So let's now fix the timing issue. First of all, let's see how is the timing in the first caption. So let's hit hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Right, today the first one is alright, but still we're going to be making some tweaks. Now the second clip has a problem in the beginning, so we're going to be fixing that. So right click on it and click show keyframe animation. Just click on that. Select the Y because we're manipulating the Y position with keyframes. Double click on it, and here, as you can see, is the straight line. And this straight line doesn't always need to be straight. So what we're going to do is we're going to select this first keyframe and click here, auto curve. And now if I hit play, as you can see, we're going to be discussing this interesting topic. It's all now in line. So let's hear. Today we're going to be discussing this interesting topic. As you can see, yes, exactly that's what's happening. But the end is a bit rough. So how are we going to fix this end? Well, first of all, after you're like in this keyframe animation panel, as you can see, just basically before it's about to end, create another keyframe. And this keyframe will also have this. So we're going to be doing something like this. And then you can take this keyframe all the way here at the end. And then create here another auto curve and just drag this one to be like smooth as possible. Something like this. And now let's see the full thing. Today we're going to be discussing this interesting topic. It's now smoother. It's definitely now smoother. And we can also manipulate the first text to also go show keyframe animation. It doesn't really need it, but it can end in a much smoother manner. So just create here another keyframe animation. Click this one, and then let me just zoom in for y'all to kind of see this better. So select this one. Actually select the last one because I don't want to interfere with anything before it. And then here, just make it like look all right. But for the sake of it, obviously, I'm going to just actually do something like this. But you know what? Let me actually remove the last keyframe. I don't think it's necessary. So just if you want to remove this curve, you just go over here to linear and you're already good to go. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make it much smoother. Hopefully that doesn't mess around with the timing or anything. All right, let's see how smooth this all is. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing this interesting topic. As you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. And now the final thing is to add a vignette. Now, you can add the vignette in pretty much any way you feel like adding it, but what I like to do is I like to add it this way with this vignette image.png. So I just like to put it here. It's easier to just overlay everything with a vignette because I could put vignette on this white, but then this text wouldn't have a vignette and it doesn't look as good. So just put it here, scale it up a little bit, and set the opacity to something like low. And here is the entire thing edited from scratch. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing this interesting topic. And after I added some effects, the full thing is here. I really hope you like it. And that will be about that. Thank you so much for watching yet another editing tutorial of mine. Make sure to subscribe for more editing tutorials. And as always, stay safe and peace.